Hi. Today we're going to tell you about how an AdMob account will be impacted due to invalid traffic. Let's get started. These days, everyone knows that Google is becoming the best source to earn money online. Its algorithms and different features provide enormous opportunities through which you can be a master of online business. Therefore, many put their high and only stakes on it in order to get big. As for all things in life, where are big opportunities, there are possible reasons to get cut off. One of them is invalid traffic, which causes a lot of headache to both for publishers and advertisers as well as to Google itself. If your account is suspected to be involved in invalid traffic, this will lead to consequences. AdMob accounts can be suspended or disabled. Ad serving can be restricted for a certain period of time to prevent unauthorized traffic from affecting the publisher's account. Revenue generated via invalid traffic will be deducted from the publisher's account and credited back to advertisers. Due to the change, ad earning on AdMob will be drastically reduced. It will also prevent the account from using other Google ad solutions. If you do something to increase the number of clicks or generate invalid traffic, then the account will be suspended. You need to avoid these activities at any cost. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.